So you need to change the battery on your V-Rod. That stinks for you because it's a pain in the butt. For speed purposes, everything's been done already, so I'm going to show you real quickly how to do it. First thing, you're going to have to flip your seat. By flipping your seat, you're just going to turn the key and it will open your seat up. Turn the lock, pull it out, and this cover will lift and slide out. Gently place it down because it is sensitive, delicate. Okay, with this cover, the air filter cover, you will see 6 clips, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 3 on this side. And then right on top, come around here, you'll see a plug, probably your mass airflow plug. You'll pull the clip out, just pull the plug right off. You're going to lift this cover off after all of your 6 clips have been unclipped. Now you're at the air filter. Again, this has already been done, so I'm making it a lot quicker for you. Unscrew the wing nut. Take the top of the air filter housing off. Remove your air filter. You will see in here Allen heads. There's 3 on each stack, the tall stack and the short stack. The tall stack stays in the front, the small stack's in the rear. You'll see 2 Allen heads. Look closely under the rubber. There are actually 3 on each, so a total of 6. Once the 6 are unscrewed, this cover will just pop off. It won't just slide right off, it will pop off because it's kind of sealed in there. Now you can see the battery. Here is the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal, then disconnect your positive terminal. You'll see the rubber mount holding it in place. You can slide it right off down here, right off the mount right there. The battery will slide out, then reverse the process to install. That is how you change the battery in a Harley-Davidson VRod. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up if this video was helpful. That way more people see the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot. See y'all later.